Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Humanity has always sought to explore new horizons to find new and better lands. When the entry to Earth was discovered, humans turned to space, Moon, and now Mars. When the new digital plane emerged, people started to seize this new realm with various angles. The first web version with Sun followed by the second, Web 3 is about to take over, with now virtual realities emerging every month. Disney World, the immersive switch-ons, metaverse platforms, has skillfully combined two of the most cutting-edge technologies to date, blockchains and 3D. By creating a one-to-one digital replace of the real world, the Tencent World team is giving an exceptional opportunity to its users to not only explore their 3D version of Dubai, but also purchase any the 18 million streets available as NFTs and gather them into collection that can in turn generate yield for their owners. Despite the fact that many projects have historically countered that metaverse around fantasy settings, the Disney World team chose to investigate a novel perspective on the topic. The creators are betting on the familiar as an alluring concept for the day user. We have based our 3D downtown Dubai on a selection of really images accessible online, each image gathered from satellite navigation of software, as well as a selection of other sources were carefully refined and analyzed in order to interpret how building and streets look in real life. We want to create a realistic yet RC environment to simulate and one chance users in case the creative team shares. Disney World 3D Downtown Dubai is now available for anyone to explore on Disney World platform. The users can choose avatar and wander through the virtual world while being immersed in Dubai on stunning and majestic cityscape. Creating experiential world besides focusing on visual design, Disney World has also success in implementing and stimulate internal economy to provide platform users with the long-term value. Our objective is to supply the user with high-quality material that will enable them to generate permanent value. The world of digital assets has the potential to increase significantly based on existing trading and rising global interest in metaverse development, the Disney World team discussed. According to experts, the global metaverse market could generate 700 billion in opportunity by 2030, indicating an exponential rise in demand for 3D experience in the near future. In response to enduring litigation, Disney World intends to expand its APLS to additional business and creators who will be able to join the project by plugging in their products and services. Includes at its Forex Disney World, theme is making the metaverse available to everyone and around the globe that user-friendly and intuitive interactive make it easy for anyone to explore the virtual world and purchase unique NFTs. By focusing on gamification and topping it all along a stylish approach and luxurious feel, we are meant to showcase Swiss capturing in each and every detail the creative shares. Despite being one of the smaller nations in Europe, Switzerland has made history in the finance and innovation industries. Switzerland is regarded as the nation's selection valley of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology and is one of the most innovative nations, claiming numerous awards and accolades for innovation while also being praised for its craftsmanship and quality for an ever longer time. About Disney World, Disney is Swiss metaverse digital real estate platform built on blockchain technology to introduce a next generation Web3 experience. The platform allows members to purchase and trade digital street NFTs, which can then be combined into collection complete and stake collection have additional value as they generate yield that is put out of the owner using state-of-the-art security features. This word also stands for trust and transparency in the blockchain industry. Maybe that's all from me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.